Welcome to Goyum. 6 TPD batch type edible oil refinery plant installed in Uganda by Goyum. To begin the process, the neutralizing and bleaching section is utilized. Here, free fatty acids are removed using alkali, followed by bleaching to eliminate color pigments and impurities. For effective filtration, the integrated vertical pressure leaf filter ensures removal of bleaching earth and solids. Moving ahead, the deodorization section uses steam injection under vacuum to strip off odor and taste compounds. The oil is then passed through a polish filter for final clarity. For operational control, all processes are monitored via an advanced control panel equipped with a mimic diagram. Each feeder and equipment unit is visually represented, and flashing indicators show real-time operation status for easy identification and smooth monitoring. During key stages, the vacuum system plays a critical role in both the bleaching and deodorization stages. It ensures low-pressure conditions for efficient removal of volatiles and moisture. To maintain process flow, Goyum supplies intermediate storage tanks for each section, ensuring smooth transfer, settling, and uninterrupted processing between stages. For consistent heating, the thermic fluid heater supplies heat to all refining sections, maintaining optimal processing temperature. A steam boiler provides process steam required for heating and deodorization, ensuring energy efficiency and safety. To maintain thermal balance, the cooling tower cools down the thermic fluid and other circulating mediums. Finally, the refined oil is stored in bulk storage tanks before being packaged into jerry cans. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.